Okay, matters have taken a little bit of a turn. Since I was really worried about my frame, spreading it too far, I decided I would go with a 125mm hub. The wheel, of which I have one very nice set of Mavic MA40 as the only one that is built up, and forgive me for putting this on here and letting it be there. It basically throws off my whole plan here because this does not want to be a cyclocross bike that I can do one by with it, because this is it married to this cassette. And to be quite frank, in the long run, that's not the wheel that I want to use here for. So I'm kind of stuck at the moment. What we have here, that barely gotten in, it sits all the way back, as you can see where the positioning of the axis is. The neck hanger is totally crooked, that's for sure. Also this fallout end is wonky as it comes, so I will need more love here. Nextly, I was then thinking, okay, what kind of brakes? I have a set of